Welcome back to another special episode of All Things Weather with Anthony and Brody. Taking a live look outside at temperatures right now. 52 for Vernon and West Alabama, 54 Starkville, 47 Houston, and 52 for our friends in Coffeyville. Now we're about 5 to 10 to nearing 15 degrees colder than what we were this time yesterday. So definitely that winter feel like is coming into the atmosphere. Now, where we are going to be for forecasted highs. In the forecast where you live, we'll warm up to about 57 to Macon, about 57 Brooksville. In our westernmost counties, 55 for Winona, 56 for Eupora. So right around those mid-50s for everybody. Sunny skies, you'll be able to warm up to around 53 Pontotoc, 53 Thaxton. And as we move off to our easternmost communities, 57 for New Hope and Columbus Air Force Base. Now, as we go through the next couple days, the sunny skies, they're going to continue throughout most of the week ahead of our next rain chance, which sadly has to come on Christmas. But if you have any last-minute shopping, you got to go buy some presents or go to the grocery store to get some things because you're cooking on Tuesday or Wednesday, well, it's going to actually feel like winter. Saturday is the first day of winter. 46 for our afternoon highs with kind of a mix of sun and clouds, but more sun than clouds. 51 on Sunday. Both will have a frosty start, and it'll be cold, so do take that into note. But Anthony, how are we looking on Christmas extremes, and what are the last couple of Christmases been like?
Well, Brody, the weather this time of year can definitely be very cold. So the average is 57 degrees for the high temperature. The average low is 36 degrees, so nearly freezing, but we could still be fairly warm this time of year. The record for Christmas is 78 degrees, but then again, the record cold low is 2 degrees. As far as rainfall, snow, we get rainfall just about every 3 years, the record being nearly 4 inches back about 100 years ago, and we've only had one ever white Christmas here in Starkville since the records in the late 1800s. As far as the last 10 years, this is really showing you how different we can be. We can be as cold as 31 degrees. Remember 2 years ago? We didn't get above freezing all day that day. But we can also be as warm as 78, 77 degrees. Those low temperatures, yeah, they can get really cold as well. About half of the last 10 years, we've gotten below freezing for Christmas. Although the average low is 36 degrees. Now, as far as this year, Brody, you're going to get more into it, but I'm looking at multiple low pressure systems that will be nearing our area come Christmas time. Now, Brody, what is the potential timing for this rainfall, and what should we expect here in Starkville?
Glad you asked, Anthony. Let's actually time out that rain for you for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. We'll start off the clock at 10 o'clock in the morning on Christmas Eve. Now, I will say this. Most of Christmas Eve will be dry for Alabama and Mississippi. The rain, as you can see, is going to be back into Arkansas, portions of northern Louisiana, and the Mid-South region. As we go to Tuesday night, once the sun sets, that's when the rain is going to push eastward. 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, crossing I-55. We've got showers around for a good portion of our coverage area. So heading out to family functions Wednesday, you want to have the rain gear with you. And bad news is the rain's going to increase in coverage as we go through the afternoon hours. 10, 11 o'clock, you see we've got a lot of rain, widespread rain impacting our area. Then that's going to finally move off about 4 to 5 o'clock for northeast Mississippi, but it's still going to linger into west and central Alabama through a good portion of the day on Wednesday. Wednesday nights when it finally gets out of Alabama, so if you have to travel in Alabama, you want to have the rain gear with you for the majority of Christmas Day. Then kind of clouds are lingering around as we get that final push of system out of the way. So taking a look at that Christmas forecast, 62 for Christmas Eve, a cold start, and it will be mild, and then 58 for Christmas Day with the showers. I'm going about 80% chance of rain for our coverage area on Christmas Day. Taking a look at that 7-day forecast. First day winter is Saturday. It's going to feel like it, 46 degrees. We warm up in the 50s. And lower 60s by Christmas Eve, showers for Christmas Day. So I want to give you that heads up. Have the rain gear with you as we go into Christmas Day. And then really going beyond the 7-day forecast, we want to point our eyes to the end, the last couple of days of the year. We're seeing signs that we have a storm system that could be brewing, and we could have some strong storms or even a severe storm risk toward the end of the month. I've seen this time and time again. The last couple of days of the year, we do get severe storms, so let's pay attention, keep that in the back of our mind, but we'll need to watch that as we go to the end of the year.